Welcome, future nurses. Today we're diving into the essential tips and techniques to ace your nursing board exam in the Philippines, also known as the Philippine Nurse Licensure Examination, PNLE. This exam is a crucial step towards your dream of becoming a licensed professional, and I know how important it is to feel prepared and confident on exam day. Remember, you've got this. Let's get started. Let's talk about the importance of a solid study plan. Imagine training for a marathon without a plan. You'd be all over the place, right? It's the same with studying. Create a realistic schedule that fits your life. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Factor that in. Break down the content into manageable chunks. Don't try to cram everything in at once. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Figure out your learning style. Do you learn best by reading, listening, or doing? Experiment with different methods like flashcards or mnemonics. Find what works best for you and stick with it. Prioritize your study topics, identify your weak areas, dedicate extra time to those areas. A well-structured study plan is your roadmap to success. It'll keep you organized, motivated, and on track to conquer the PNLE. You've got this. Okay, future nurses, let's talk about your study tools. You wouldn't go into battle without the right equipment, would you? The same goes for the PNLE. There are tons of amazing resources available. Textbooks and study guides are your foundational resources. Highlight key points, take notes, and create summaries. This helps retain information and makes review easier. Practice questions are crucial. Practice, practice, practice. The more questions you answer, the more comfortable you'll be. Join a study group. Collaboration is powerful. Utilize a variety of study resources for better preparation. Gather your tools, put in the effort, and watch your confidence soar. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter, mastering the nursing content. This is where your passion for nursing and your dedication to your patients truly shine through. Remember, the PNLE is not just about memorizing facts, it's about applying your knowledge to real-life scenarios. One key aspect of nursing is understanding the nursing process. Assessment, diagnosis, planning, implementation, and evaluation. These 5 steps are the foundation of everything we do as nurses. Make sure you're comfortable applying the nursing process to different patient situations. Another crucial skill is prioritizing patient needs. Imagine you're working in a busy emergency room, and you're responsible for multiple patients. Who needs your immediate attention? That's where Maslow's hierarchy of needs comes in. From basic physiological needs like breathing and circulation to higher-level needs like love and belonging, this framework helps you prioritize care and make critical decisions. Remember, mastering nursing content takes time, effort, and a genuine desire to care for others. Embrace the challenge, stay curious, and never stop learning. Alright, future nurses, let's talk strategy. Taking the PNLE is like running a marathon. You need pacing, endurance, and a game plan. First and foremost, time management is key. Familiarize yourself with the exam format, the number of questions, and the allotted time. During the exam, keep track of time and pace yourself accordingly. Don't spend too much time on any one question. Speaking of questions, let's talk about reading comprehension. Read each question carefully, paying attention to keywords and phrases. Don't jump to conclusions or make assumptions. If you're unsure of an answer, try to eliminate obvious wrong answers first. Sometimes the process of elimination can lead you to the correct choice. And here's a pro tip: don't get bogged down by difficult questions. If you're stuck, mark it, move on, and come back to it later. There's no sense in wasting precious time on a question that's stumping you when you could be answering others. Finally, if time permits, always review your answers before submitting the exam. Check for any careless mistakes or omissions. You never know, that final review could make all the difference. Listen up, future nurses. We're talking about the importance of sleep. I know, you're all busy studying, but trust me on this one. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Think of it as recharging your batteries. When you're well rested, you're more alert, focused, and able to retain information. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, especially in the days leading up to the exam. Avoid cramming all night. Your brain needs time to process information and consolidate memories. Pulling an all-nighter will only leave you feeling drained and mentally foggy on exam day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Put away your phone, dim the lights, and unwind with a warm bath or a good book. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. as they can interfere with your sleep cycle. Remember, sleep is your secret weapon. It's essential for optimal cognitive function, memory recall, and overall well-being. So, prioritize your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer the PNLE. Okay, let's talk about stress. That unwelcome guest that loves to show up at the worst possible times, like during exams. It's completely normal to feel stressed or anxious before a big test like the PNLE. But remember, you've got this. The key is to manage stress effectively so it doesn't hinder your performance. First and foremost, acknowledge your stress. Don't try to bottle it up or ignore it. Talk to someone you trust, a friend, family member, or mentor. Sometimes just verbalizing your feelings can help alleviate some of the pressure. Next, let's talk about relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even just taking a few minutes to step away from your studies and engage in a relaxing activity can work wonders. Find what works best for you and make it a regular part of your routine. Remember, stress is a normal part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. By implementing effective stress management techniques, you can approach the PNLE with a calm and focused mind. Alright, future nurses, this next tip is crucial. Believe in yourself. You've come so far, dedicated countless hours to your studies, and overcome numerous challenges along the way. Now is not the time to doubt your abilities. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Was it your passion for caring for others? Your desire to make a difference in the lives of your patients? Whatever your reason, hold on to it tightly. Let it fuel your fire and remind you of your strength and resilience. Visualize yourself succeeding. Imagine yourself confidently walking into that exam room, answering questions with ease, and ultimately achieving your dream of becoming a licensed nurse. Visualization is a powerful tool that can boost your confidence and motivation. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You have the knowledge, the skills, and the heart to excel in this profession. So go out there, believe in yourself, and make your dreams a reality. Hey everyone, let's talk about the power of teamwork. Remember those study groups we mentioned earlier? Well, they're not just about cramming information. They're about building a support system, sharing knowledge, and learning from one another. Joining a study group allows you to connect with others who are going through the same journey. You can share study tips, quiz each other on difficult concepts, and even vent your frustrations in a safe and supportive environment. Collaboration can also deepen your understanding of the material. When you explain concepts to others or hear different perspectives, it can solidify your own knowledge and uncover areas where you might need further clarification. Remember, studying for the PNLE doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Reach out to your classmates, form a study group, and support each other on this exciting journey. Alright, future nurses, let's talk about the importance of practice. Just like athletes train for a big game, you need to train for the PNLE. And the best way to do that is by taking practice exams. Think of practice exams as your dress rehearsals. They allow you to familiarize yourself with the exam format, the types of questions you'll encounter, and the time constraints you'll face on the actual test day. But it's not just about getting used to the format. Practice exams also help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, pay attention to the areas where you excel, and the topics where you struggle. This will allow you to adjust your study plan accordingly and focus your efforts where they're needed most. Remember, practice makes perfect, or at least it gets you closer. So, incorporate practice exams into your study routine and watch your confidence soar as you become more comfortable with the material and the exam format. Hey everyone, remember you don't have to go through this journey alone. There are tons of resources available to help you succeed, including mentors, professors, and academic advisors. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance and support. Your professors, for instance, are incredible resources. They're experts in their fields and have likely helped countless students prepare for the PNLE. Attend their office hours, ask questions, and seek clarification on any concepts that you're struggling with. Mentors can also provide invaluable guidance. Reach out to nurses you admire, whether they're clinical instructors, preceptors, or experienced nurses in your desired specialty. They can offer insights into the profession, share their own experiences with the PNLE, and provide encouragement along the way. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you're proactive, resourceful, and committed to your success. So don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. there's a whole community of nursing professionals rooting for you. Remember, future nurses, with the right preparation and mindset, you can conquer the PNLE and achieve your dreams of becoming a licensed professional. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward. Good luck.